Hi guys, I'm Jerry. Today I will introduce our plastic jar. We have many capacity for your choice. The smallest one is 80 ml, 100 ml, 120 ml, 150 ml, 200 ml, 300 ml, and the biggest one is 400 ml. You can see this is 0% PCR, so it is with 100% PP material, and this one is 50% PCR and 50% PP, and this one is 100% PCR. To compare their jars, the 0% PCR looks more white, because PCR is recycled material and we can custom the color of the cap. Of course, we also can custom the color of the jar. Also can do printing on the jar. There are three components: the jar, disc, and cap. If you want to make it more different, you can stamping line on the cap. If you have any interest, please contact us on Alibaba or other way to leave message for us. Thank you.